So, the little birdie died. He was alive for a good while, and then this morning I woke up to feed him.
And he croaked.
No, he didn't. And I wanted to take another nap because I woke up like at 7. And then I opened my eyes again and I checked on him. He was already, you know, in the last stages of death.
Face down, ass up.
But we're gonna bury him. So, would you do the honors, please? I already made a hole for him. Right there. And I know, ew, she's holding a dead bird, but I mean, I held him earlier. Oh, pobrecito. He's all stiff.
Whoa.
Alright, so this is to the baby bird that never flew. Right? Rest in pieces, my love.
Any last words?
I wish I could have taken better care of him. I wish he would have eaten, you know? I tried to feed him bread, pero no quería. So, you know what? He would have died by death of a cat or something, you know? At least I took care of him his last day, you know? Whatever, the cats will probably dig him up later, but I think this is appropriate for now. Anything you want to say?
Not really.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Stop it.
Rest in peace. Yeah, stop it.